Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Household of Faith HomeGrown Series. Happy New Year. This is my first video of 2025 for the garden, and I'm going to share with you today. I'm making a terrarium for the celery that I'm about to transplant. Lost my bottom. Anyway, I've already put, bottom's here. I've got a cabbage base, some banana peelings I started to dry in the oven already, some coffee grounds that have been baked, strawberry, just some leftover organic matter. I'm going to stir this up real good. Things are very different here in Colorado. Um, this is going to need an extra boost because the growing season is so short. So, and this is really something that anyone can do no matter where you live. I'm saying that you can always start your stuff on the inside. So, why the organic matter? Well, it's going to make its own compost. And we're going to put this in here. This is celery, was store-bought. It was it was the first thing of celery I got when I went to the grocery store in November. So, and look at it. Looks amazing. So we're just going to finish our little hole here. And the soil is, yeah, it's dry. But you know what? I'm not worried about that because this pot does not have a hole in the bottom. And it started in water. Just as you can see, these other plants right here, 2 white onions and another celery. And the last one is romaine lettuce. All right, so I'm gonna just take some of this water. Yeah, it looks cloudy, but it was cucumber water with cucumber, lemon, strawberry, and apple. And I let it sit too long. Honestly, since I've been here, I've been having issues with drinking water. Imagine that. And the climate is so dry that I do need to be drinking more water because I'm constantly feeling dry cotton mouth day and night. So that really should do it. This has been in this container to get to the size and so forth and so on. Then I put it in the dirt, and it's not totally saturated, and that's okay. And we're just gonna put this on top. Try to match that up. Yeah, I don't want to match that up. And this home that I'm residing in does not get a lot of light. It's a little light in my room, my bedroom and bath. It faces the bedroom faces the east, bathroom faces the south. Now, okay, there we are. Terrarium. I'm gonna let that grow in there for a while, and until it gets to the point where it has to come out, and it should be good in there for a couple of months. So that is basically a 2-liter soda bottle. There you go. I have to fix those. And they have a cat, so yeah, I have to protect my produce because the cat seems to like produce. So there is the terrarium. And the other thing that I just want to say is that we want to get started as soon as we can because even in Texas, I would start late this month or early February getting my seeds going. And one of the things that I am going to be doing, paper towel rolls, aluminum foil rolls, yeah, toilet paper rolls. They're great for starting. And this was just a little pastry container. Found this in this basil plant. Wow. So I'm going to be doing that. So here's just the basics. So I'm going to do about 4 of these and the bigger ones as well. I think I cut 3 or 4 of those too. The big difference, not much, only the sturdiness of the roll. These can also be composted, shredded. This is a little hard, so you probably want to unwrap it, but the toilet paper rolls, peel them, shred them in your regular shredder, paper towels as well. It's not a big deal. It's pretty easy, simple to do. And let me just say, instead of buying all of those starter packs, you can just use this. So we're basically going to fill this up, each one about halfway. Hope you can see this all right. And I did a video earlier this year, so this really is, you know what? I think I'm gonna wet this soil. That's gonna just make it a lot easier for doing this. So give me a minute to wet some up and we'll try that again. Okay, we're back, and I have, as you can see, packed those up. And you just want to press them down really good to the bottom. Now, when you're planting your seeds, you always want to pay attention to what the seed company says as far as depth and stuff like that. This is obviously not, 2-3 inches or all of that. And they're not going to be in here that long because the lid doesn't give it about 1 inch to come with. So these are some seeds that I got at the Dollar General. And I tell you, me and these cucumbers, we're just not getting along. Lemon cucumbers. So in order to be able to find them, I'm just going to put them in these small ones. It'll be the easiest thing, and I'll know that that's what they are. And I usually put, I don't think you can get that many. Okay, that's 6, and okay, I'll go with that for now. So there's another round I can go to. And these atomic grape tomatoes, Camp Burpees. And you know what? You say, oh, well, American seeds, the cucumbers, oh, they're cheap. I paid $3.99 for some. Same thing. They didn't grow for me. But that was Texas. This is Colorado. Let me get this open. Oh, for heaven's sake. But in the meantime, while I'm doing this, remember our Facebook gardening group, End Times Urban Gardening. So we'd love to have you join us. Transitioning here has been an issue. What you see here is pretty much all I have now. Okay, so there's one. I know there's more than one seed in here. Hello. All right, so I'm going to put this over here and get the rest of them to come out. Yeah, well, I could tell by the package there weren't a lot in here, but that's okay. All I need is really is one plant, because once they grow, I'll have seeds forever. Okay. All right, here we go. And we're gonna do, trying to keep them off the edge. They always want to fall on the edge. And okay, so that's like 6, 2, 4, 6, 7. That's good enough. All right. So I'm down there in the crack. I can't quite get to it. All right. So that's that one. Now these San Marzanos. Ooh, yeah, very popular. And like I say, all you really need is one plant to grow your first time out. Don't be discouraged if you don't get, gosh, because all of the seeds aren't going to germinate regardless. Honestly, I have better luck when I slice a tomato and put it in the dirt than I do with seeds like this. Don't ask me why, but come on. 6. All right then, so we got those. I put the lemon cucumbers up already, didn't I? All right, now I'm gonna plant some dill and my niece loves sage. I'm gonna plant some thyme, spinach. Most of these I'm really trying to get my herbs going. So I'm gonna come back after I get them all done. See you in a bit. Alrighty, we are back for the final round. Okay, so we went cucumber, lemon cucumber, 1, 2, 3, and these 3 small ones. And then the atomic grape tomatoes, dill, and Thai basil there, sage, cumin, thyme, curly parsley, cilantro, and then the San Marzianos. And over here in this one, which you probably can't see very well, is going to be the Genovese basil, the sweet basil, oregano, and tarragon. There are some of these that thyme, tarragon, yeah, kind of struggle with those, but we're going to give them a try. It's just an hour or so of my time, and we're going to go from there. So remember to check out our Facebook group, subscribe to the video channel, like the videos, give us some comments. As far as like the medium, yeah, this soil is kind of chunky. Oops, I threw that in the wrong thing. Oh, wow. I don't go out and spend a lot of money on stuff. They say you have to have this and this and that. And they said, what did people do before they invented this stuff to take your money? So I say, first of all, use what you got. But if you feel like you rather buy it, go for it. Do what works best for you. So today is, I think, the 24th. I'm bad with dates, but it's Friday. And we are going to, I got room in here for some more, so I think I'm going to cut 3 of the other small ones. They should fit. and I'll give you an update. God bless you. We thank God for you, and as always, we ask God to bless the fruit of our hands and our labors. May these plants grow and provide food for us, because the time is coming, let me tell you folks, that you better learn how to grow your own stuff, or help somebody or pay somebody to work with you on it, because the prices of food up here is quite different from what it was in Texas, and I thought Texas was high. Colorado has some other standards that Texas didn't have, so um, growing your own, like you can see here, the onions. This is a poinsettia leaf. I'm just trying to see if it'll work because I got one after the holidays, nothing yet. And they were offering free to a good home. So white onions I don't normally buy, but they're growing. And it's time to get them out of here. So I'm gonna be putting these in something over the next few days. That one has barely started to root. The green will grow first. This celery is not really rooting, but it's growing. So we'll be taking some of these off because the real celery is in there. Alrighty? God bless you once again. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.